In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a store in Lemon Squeezy. Whether you're looking to start fresh or simply need to remove an old store, I'll guide you through this process step by step to ensure you can do it with ease. First, let's begin by navigating to your Lemon Squeezy homepage. This is where you'll find all the options you need to manage your store. Once you're on your homepage, take a moment to locate the three dots in the bottom left corner of the screen right beside your username. These three dots serve as a menu button that will give you access to additional options for managing your account. Click on these three dots and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, you want to select My Store. This option will take you to a page specifically dedicated to managing the details of your store. It may take a moment for the page to load, so be patient. Once the page has loaded, you'll find all the options related to your store's management. At this point, you should see the option to delete your store. Now, before you proceed with deleting, it's important to consider any data or settings you might want to back up or save. Deleting a store is a permanent action, so double check that you're ready to proceed. When you're absolutely sure you want to delete your store, go ahead and confirm the action as prompted by Lemon Squeezy. Sometimes platforms require an additional confirmation step to ensure that you're aware of the permanence of the action. Follow any on-screen instructions to finalize the deletion. And that's it! You've successfully deleted your store in Lemon Squeezy. Remember, this action cannot be undone, so make sure that this is what you want to do. If you have any other stores to manage, or if you plan on creating a new one, you can always return to the Lemon Squeezy homepage to start fresh. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Lemon Squeezy's customer support for additional help. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your future endeavors on Lemon Squeezy.